Hey there, future math wizards! Are you ready to embark on an amazing adventure with numbers? Today, we're diving into the magical world of multiplication tables. Multiplication is like magic. It's a way of adding the same number over and over again, but much faster. For example, if you have 3 bags with 4 apples in each, you can find out how many apples you have in total by multiplying. 3 bags times 4 apples equals. Now let's find that out together. So grab your math hats and let's start learning. Multiplication tables of 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. 2 11s are 22. 2 12s are 24. Multiplication tables of 3. 3 1s is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. 3 11s are 33. 3 12s are 36. Multiplication tables of 4. 4 1s is 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. 4 11s are 44. 4 12s are 48. Multiplication tables of 5. 5 1s is 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 tens are 50. 5 elevens are 55. 5 twelves are 60. Multiplication tables of 6. 6 ones is 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. 6 elevens are 66. 6 twelves are 72. Multiplication tables of 7. 7 ones is 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. 7 elevens are 77. 7 twelves are 84. Multiplication tables of 8. 8 ones is 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. 8 elevens are 88. 8 twelves are 96. Multiplication tables of 9. 9 ones is 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 six are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. 9 elevens are 99. 9 twelves are 108. Multiplication tables of 10. 10 ones is 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 6 are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 eights are 80. 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100. 10 elevens are 110. 10 twelves are 120. So kids, wasn't that easy? You just have to keep repeating it and you will be able to learn it. Do you remember the question that I asked at the beginning of the video? Remember, there were 3 bags with 4 apples. So how many apples are there in total? That's easy. All you need to know is 3 times 4. And the answer is 12 apples. So thank you, children. Keep watching, keep learning, and stay blessed.